Welcome to the CPAP Shop's YouTube page. Learn how to disassemble and reassemble the AirTouch N30i in this video. To disassemble this mask, pull the cushion out from both ends of the frame. Then unfasten and pull out the headgear from the frame on both sides. Squeeze the side buttons on the elbow and pull up to release it from the frame. And your entire mask is now disconnected. To put it back together, connect the elbow into the top of the frame until you hear a click. Turn your mask to the back side and insert the headgear straps back into the frame, making sure the ResMed brand name is facing outward. Fasten both tabs to the main part of the headgear. Flip your mask back over and grab your cushion and align the arrow on the right side of it with the arrow on the frame and connect them together on both sides. Your mask is ready for use again.